Hi mates, welcome to our 5th lesson of learning Canva. In this video, I will tell you guys how you guys can make your custom video in Canva. So let's get started. And if you guys have any questions related to the video, comment down below. We will reply very soon. So let's go in Canva. We're here and we will go in here in the video one. So how to make your own custom videos. What you will do is you will go over here in uploads and then in videos. So then you will just go over here where it says upload an image or video. So guys, when you go in that button, it will basically open your folder, and then you can choose any video you want to upload and what you want to edit, any video you want to edit in Canva. So I will just basically pick my intro, which I use for all the videos I've made. So there we have our intro. It's loading right now. So when it's loading right now, so when it's fully loaded I will get back to you guys. So guys, it's fully loaded now, and you just have to like click it, and it would just place your video over here automatically, and then you just have to adjust your size, and there you go, you have the video. So that is that, and now let's see what we can do with this video. So what I will do is I will go in the templates, okay, so I will go in the templates and I will choose a template which I basically like. So I will basically choose this one maybe, and you can edit your text, and I will just write that learn with us. TechMates, and there you go. You have edited your text, and now you have to do with your video. So how you're going to do the video, it's basically simple. It's the same thing you do with your photos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this, and then I will go in the uploads and upload my video over here. So just the size of it like that, send it back, and there we go. And also you can go in the elements and search for frames, and you can add frame to the video. So what you're going to do is you're just going to add it like that. I don't think that my video would basically fit in the frame. Let's see. So now I can change the color of the frame like that, and I also don't like the background color, so I'm going to change it. This one maybe I will do the pink I have in, yes, this one. Let's just go a little bit darker. Yep, that's fine. And then this, the blue, deep blue, and a little bit lighter. And there we go. So you have made your own video. You can also add the shapes. Maybe I will add a computer. So you get this, and I can add this one over here, and yeah, that's fine, I think. So you can also, I can also put something like we can go for a piece of tape. And then basically what you get from this is like wait, let me see that. Does it have the thing that I'm wanting? Wait, oh, let's just search tape. Yes, that's what I was searching for. What basically I want to do is like get this piece of tape and then put it, oh my god, what's that doing? Okay, and then we put it over here, kind of get that like the text is taped, that effect, like that. So it basically gives us a nicer effect that our text is taped. So let's just send it backward. Yeah, that's fine now. And you have created your video, and you can preview it from here. So that is the end of our lesson. I hope you guys learned something new, and I will see you guys very soon in my next lesson. And if you guys have any questions related to the video, comment down below. We will reply very soon. Bye mates.